Hey guys, so today with the theme of Halloween coming soon, I have an all dark, or more specifically, all black YesStyle haul to show you. Not gonna lie, I really like the pieces I got, but I also couldn't really help myself to some extras, so I got a little extra things that I still want to show you. I'll probably include it at the end of the video. By the way, you can also use my code BRIPCAB for money off your purchase on YesStyle. There'll also be a discount link that you could use that will actually take out more percentage off. So make sure to use that one if you want more percentage off. Or the code, whichever you want to do. All the products I'm going to show you guys are going to be linked in the description box. So if you want to check it out, make sure to go check it. Oh yeah, by the way, I have bangs. How's it look? I actually cut them myself. Maybe you could tell, but I like it. Okay, I'm talking too much. Let's get started with the haul. Okay, so first we have this beautiful long sleeve right here. It's cropped, a little more fitted, and the stitching, it's an inside out stitching. I think it's really cool. It adds some detail even in the back. Oh, and plus there's some graphic right in the front in white. What is it actually? Well, it looks pretty cool. And what I like the most about it is this cut right here at the end. It's like an asymmetric cut. Why am I having a hard time saying that? It's like an asymmetric cut. Look at it. So that it has this point down the middle. And I've been noticing that a lot on people's clothing, and it looks so good. Is it creating a triangle? I think it's just creating a triangle top. I think that's the point of that. It adds a little flavor to a normal crop top. I also like that it's not too thick. You know, I live in a very hot area, so that really works well for me. And plus it's stretchy, pretty stretchy. But number one is this part. I was oh, okay, I gotta get it. I like it so much that I got another asymmetric top. So this is a crop top. It's a little more on the longer side compared to the long sleeve, which I do like. I don't know. Would I like it if it was shorter? Either way, I still really like it. I don't know what this graphic is, but it looks cool. It looks really cool to me. It's in white. Oh, and also on this part too, you know, where it splits kind of. It kind of has the same stitching. There's some stitching going from one of the arm areas down here and creating this shape at the bottom that points. It also happens in the back too. So it's not only the front. You can see it. Oh, it doesn't help that I'm wearing black. Maybe on my face. Can y'all see the cut? I also like that it's thin too. Again, I live in a hot area and it's pretty loose. You get the air flowing in there. This part right here. Main reason why I got it. I always see people tuck in the side so that their shirts would hang more in the middle. But you know, this just does it for you. This is the first that I've ever got that are cut like this. Why should I do my bangs real quick? I feel like I need to comb her hair. Some hairstylists is probably laughing at me right now. I don't have the proper comb to comb it out. Okay, now this one goes a little crazy. I don't have anything like this, but look at this, y'all. Gives very much Spiderweb vibes, right? Perfect for Halloween. If you're not gonna dress as anything, it gives off what I said. Honestly, I wasn't really planning on getting this. I just saw it while scrolling on YesStyle, and it was on the model, right? This picture, and I just thought it looked so cool. You can almost see myself through it. You would have to put an inside shirt. I think that's how you're supposed to style it, on top of something, or if you're at the beach. Even though I barely go these days, this would be a good cover up, because there's also a beige one, and I feel that one would be more suitable for the beach, because you know, it's the color of sand and stuff and bright. Either way, it's a bit distressed kind of feeling, and it runs quite long, but I kind of like that you can make it tucked in while still having the air flow through. Obviously. I haven't really worn anything like this before. I don't know, I'm kind of excited. It took me some convincing to actually buy this, because I don't know, I couldn't really imagine myself wearing it, but it would be pretty fun to get through other styles. I was you know, I would regret it if I didn't get this, so I got it. Now the next one is actually my first one of these. It's a leather looking jacket. So it's got some collars here, some working buttons. I saw that a lot of people got the brown, and I was wondering why people got the brown, but I'm guessing the brown one is more in. I think black is still pretty cool. It has two working pockets in the front, in the bottom corners. The inside has a windbreaker material. It's not super thick, which is great for me. Well, still kind of thick, but not as thick as, you know, if you were to compare it to something else. So over here, it opens a little, and you can also button it together if you want. that. Like this one I'm actually pretty excited to wear. I don't know when I'm gonna wear it, but one day I will, and I just feel like I will feel so cool when I wear this. Like I actually don't own like jackets like these, but this one, I don't know, I just had to. And also it's like pretty light, it doesn't like restrict you too much. Okay, now these might be the best fitting pants I ever got. I was like actually so surprised. I didn't expect it to like look the way it did. Pretty high-waisted, and like it fits perfectly. It has a zipper, it has the buttons, it has belt loops to make sure it fits you in case it doesn't, and 2 working pockets in the front, 2 working pockets, but 2 fake ones in the back. Why do people make fake ones? I mean, well, it does look pretty nice, and they're actually wide-legged. I'm telling you, over here it fits me so well, like no other pants has. Like I think I might just get more colors or an extra. Honestly, if you want to look good in dress pants, this is the pants. It's like pretty thin, but it's not see-through, and I don't know, it's just flowy, comfortable. I love everything about this one too. This is now my dream pants. Okay, so that's all the dark clothing stuff. So first extra, I mean you already kind of saw it, but this is the white version of the crop top. Same graphic, but like just in black. Same awesome asymmetrical cut over here, cropped. Like I just had to get it, guys. I was so excited. I like shirts. Okay, next I actually have this skincare stuff. I'm about to run out of toner, so I got this new one, and it is the Waterfull Hyaluronic toner. It is made in Korea. Look at it, it's blue. This thing is said to be very, very hydrating. Look at it. It looks like a water bottle to me. A very beautiful water bottle, but it's actually toner. Oh my gosh, very pure looking. Why am I so mesmerized by this? Anyways, this nozzle is like none I've ever seen before. Like this, it comes out of here. You just have to pour it onto like a cotton pad or something like that. I actually used it this morning. It has 7 complex hyaluronic acid so that it can be absorbed into different layers of the skin. But it's also perfect for all skin types actually. The ceramide also helps to protect from irritants too. It doesn't contain any fragrance or like essential oils. You can use it as a daily toner, and it just overall feels super refreshing. I will definitely be using this every day. But the face items doesn't stop there. I also got an eyeshadow palette. I think this is the first eyeshadow palette I ever got from YesStyle. I don't know, I was like searching really hard because I really wanted to try like this new way to do eyeshadow, and I only really have brown eyeshadow. So you know, yeah, this was the perfect opportunity. It's actually better than eyes. Number 2, Dry Rose by Rom and sorry, I don't really know how to say it. This is the first time I ever saw this brand, but I'm actually like really into this palette. I've been using it like a few times already, but I'm also showing you how it looks before I started using it. So it has like literally all the colors I needed in order to make this eyeshadow look I want to do. It's actually more like effective than I thought. I was like, okay, yeah, this is it. I'm so glad I got it. This is so perfect. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to use it for like my daily makeup now. Maybe I'll do like an updated everyday makeup tutorial because I've been using colors other than brown now a little bit. Actually, I have it on right now. It might be a little washed out. I had it on for a while. I don't know, I barely explore makeup, so I feel like I'm just gonna keep on using that. And I also got a blush. This is the Saemmul single blusher of Trench Rose single blush by Saemmul. Oh, what? Yeah, guys, I was like so amazed by the smell. It smells so good. I remember seeing the review saying it smells so good, and I wasn't expecting to smell this good. Like, I actually get so happy whenever I put this blush on. Actually, I also have this on right now. A little bit. Like, I used to never really put blush. Usually put more bronzer, but I barely have bronzer, and I use mostly this. But I'm enjoying this a lot. These have been my 2 main stars of the show on my face. But also, as I've said in other YesStyle hauls, they give you samples sometimes. So I got these samples. This is one sample of Avocado Relief Cream, vegan formula. Frudia. I can try that. I can also try this. Marine Active Cream, hydrating with real marine ingredients and provides rich moisture. You just apply it on your face and neck. This one is a black snail collagen, anti-wrinkle and nourish. Oh, black bean. And then this one is Centella Green Level Buffet Serum. It has some good acids for your face. Sometimes I get scared to try it because like I want to save it, but this is from Purito. Anyways guys, that is it for my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's been a while since I've talked. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Links to my social medias will be in the description box. And if you made it this far in the video, comment Halloween, because it's almost Halloween. And I'll also link all the products I show you in this video in the description too. So if you see anything you like, make sure to go check the description box. Also, don't forget to use my code BRIPCAB for money off your purchase on YesStyle. Or you can also use the discount link in the description box. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video. Bye!